Alright, Parker's Gravedigger here. We done some stuff. It's basically for racing only. Only race. In a video you'll see why. But my brother, he come over and I ain't know nothing about wiring like he does, so he come over and helped us out. Alright, go ahead, Brandon.
This is brought to you by White's Modified. Yeah, what he's doing is it's normally 24 volt, and he wanted to run more power.
Yeah, we're on the ML Toys 775 motors also.
Yeah,
Stock wiring somewhat.
That's what was the problem with this. As he modified the batteries, he got more voltage, and I ain't allowed to tell you. Put in your credit card information would tell you how many volts he's running. But anyhow, it was melting everything else down. So we put it on separate battery banks, but we combined them too. And some of you know what I'm talking about. Most of you probably won't. So anyhow, this is it right here. So this is the normal operating systems, you would say, you know, if you want to say that, normal wires, stuff like that. It's pretty beefy, not that good.
Yeah, it's just the normal wires.
But now this is just for the motors. Now this just runs the motors, and that's the reason why he said it's somewhat stock wiring, but then we modified it. And this is just a regular 24 volt. But as you know, you can hook them in series and get as many volts you want.
Yeah.
So for this purposes, he's just got 24 volt on it. Now yeah. I think you know, you add another one, which would be 48, and you just keep on keeping on. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you.
Whatever these 775 motors will hold, we can push it now. We got the wiring and everything.
Without melting everything else down.
Yeah.
And just give you.
Oh yeah.
Look here, so everything should work.
Yeah. All this right here. All this still works off this battery. None of this works off of this. This is sole purpose for the motors only.
They're independent, but they're together and somewhat too. The gas pedal still works off the original wiring, which is this battery.
Yeah, all these components, gas pedal and everything, works off this one battery.
But then we had to tie the paddle in with this battery because that's what makes it go without, you know, making some kind of crazy switch.
But when we hook it up to 64 volts, you're going to fry that gas pedal. Okay, we solved that problem.
No, I'll just pick it
yeah,
up
just set it on the front.
The battery's full up.
Thing for that.
So he's got some modified motors. He said the name of them.
ML Toys. I don't know if you can, how good you can see in there. I don't know if you can see the numbers or whatever, but right there you can. 775s.
That's just a rough wiring. We'll go in and make it look nicer. Maybe not. Anyhow, there's your wires. This is a 24 volt solenoid. Didn't go with the 12 because I didn't think 12 was going to hold everything, but that is 24. It's originally 24 anyways. And this right here just runs off the big battery bank. Okay, this is all just for the big battery bank. But then we had to tie in the pedal with that, so that's how we done that here. So that's the reason why I would say they're independently, but they work together as well. And that runs just back. We wired it into the main harness and modified the harness as well. He put in some fuses right here.
Yeah, I really don't even gotta have that no more, but I left it stock wiring because it looks so stock.
Everything can be put back stock. It ain't no big deal. Just have to replace it. Just rewire the motors, unconnect them.
All we have to do is take these off. Everything that did connect to these is rolled up back into the battery tray and zip tied up. So if I want to go back stock, just pull them back through the hose there, rewire them back up. Right here.
And how we series it all together is to its ground.
Ain't what I'm doing.
What are you looking for? The original wire?
Yeah. There they are. Yeah. Look right here. Yeah. Just butt them back together and back in. Yeah, go ahead.
How we series them together, the battery banks, is just simply with the ground. This is the ground. we ground the frame. Ground's ground, but you have to bring them together for them to work right here on this solenoid off the pedal, because they're independent. But then we connect them right here, which he's going to redo that. That's just for time being, and that all ties it together.
Yeah.
So now you hit the gas pedal.
Yeah. And the wheels ain't warped. It's just because I put these on.
Put the slicks on crooked.
I put them on crooked. Yeah.
And that allows it all to work without frying all the
with
other
that
stuff, and then getting all the juice that you want to put on your motors and whatever your motors can handle.
it keeps you having to go buy one of those electronic systems and all that crap. You know, but I understand why people get those, just because it's easier on the gears and stuff. But if you got a Gravedigger, they don't make no upgraded gears. So these are pretty stout anyways, because this thing's 170 pounds, I believe. So but right now we're only on 24 volts. It looks like we're on 44, but we're not. We're only on 24 volts. This battery powers all the electronics. It makes and the gas pedal. It makes the gas pedal send a signal to the solenoid to say, "Hey, you need to work." It kicks that one on to turn the engines on. So when I go to hook up another battery, I'm going to hook it up in series to this one. That battery, I won't touch that battery. That battery will be left alone. That battery right there, I'll hook it up to that one, and then hit pew, back off. We got another race coming up next week. And we won the last one. I ain't got the trophy out here, but we won first place on 24 volts on that battery only. And they're going to allow some go-karts and stuff in this time. So, but we're going to take them out. One go-kart's supposed to have nitrous on it. We're going to take them out. Yeah. He specifically solely called us out. And we ain't taking no chances. So, alright. That'd be all of it, I guess. And I guess, I don't know if you know or not, but my car's not here. Nowhere to be found. Mustang related stuff. Tore the rear end out the other day. Yeah, it sucks. But it's getting fixed right now. I'm putting 411s in it. Yukon 411s in it. She's going to be an all-out NA car. So, all right. 34 volts. All right, I'm ready whenever you are, Parker. Go. Oh!
That's too fast.